Dear Jamie, after damaging the DDE camera due to my lack of respect for anything, I had to borrow my family's VHS camcorder. After reviewing and subsequently deleting all childhood memories off the tape, I recorded this video. Please, Jamie, work your magic. I love you. Dave. I like you, I really do. Despite my action behavior, you're a good guy. Now, unfortunately, I don't make the rules. I actually do, but I gotta let you go, man. Look at the numbers, you're just not converting, not getting warranty sales, you're not selling couches like you used to. I gotta let you go.
But Dave, you don't work here.
Neither of you guys do. I need my office, so out.
This is awkward. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're here in Kelowna at August Luxury Motor Cars. I need
another car
because I wrecked the last one. 3 he's picked out front right now. Let's go check it out. I'm pumped.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Is there any V8s out there? So Mike Dawson here, who's a master salesman.
Hired again.
Who I just fired and rehired. I'm an emotional person. So let's walk through the cars we have here and then let's drive them.
2007 Lamborghini Gallardo.
Yeah.
Convertible.
Yeah.
Really beautiful spec. We got the nice dark blue exterior with the nice lighter blue and brown interior. The other Gallardo. You know what? You've driven one before, so you're gonna be familiar with it.
Now your hair can flow in the wind in this thing,
yes, right? Exactly. Seeing everything coming up from behind you.
You know I don't have any hair, right?
Dave, you can dream.
Gallardo, SPYDER, E-Gear. And then we're gonna step into the future and look at this.
This is the next generation.
This is Matt's car.
This is Matt's baby right now. So this is his demo. This is what he's driving around loving. It's got full 3M protection, so you don't have to worry about a single rock chip in the paint. It's all good to go now, and we'll even get that weird smell that all Matt's cars have in.
Now, what is that smell?
I don't know. 2014 Viper GTS. Also 10 cylinders, but a lot more power.
What power does this car make? I don't even know.
This one is putting out, I would say just about all of them, all the horses.
Well, that's the question. Lambo funeral.
That's aftermarket. It's full cow for sure.
Does it sound good in here? Oh, I can't play anything because it's copywritten.
Oh yeah.
So I have to just pretend. Jamie, add some awesome music.
Oh, that sounds good.
Wow. Jamie, this music's so much beat. Sorry, I turned it down for you. Turn it down. How's that better? Thank you.
You nailed it.
Sounds like a Gallardo.
Nailed it. Now, great thing about this car is a few years ago, this car was in a horrible accident and had about $100,000 in repairs, which is fantastic because you have $100,000 worth of new parts on this car, which is why we raised the price on it.
All right, guys, a little sport mode action in the rain. This car sounds really good. So this is the even firing 90-degree 5-liter V10. Oh, I miss that sound. Sounds like my Gallardo. Honestly, when my car first crashed, I was seriously debating just buying another manual. The world did not want Dave Coulter to own a manual Gallardo. It told me that in a very aggressive way.
Very aggressive.
Outside San Francisco, so I moved on. Now, I still love the Gallardo.
How could you not?
When I want a SPYDER or an Aperta or a convertible or a drop top, rag top, hard top, whatever word you want to use, I don't know, man. I mean, I'm a coupe guy. Oh yeah, I love the E-Gear. Oh yeah. See, a lot of people give the E-Gear a hard time. And they had some failures in the beginning. 0405 specifically was.
You'll strip your clutch. If you reverse uphill in an E-Gear, your clutch ain't gonna last long and you're gonna be replacing that pretty quick.
So guys, let's do a test in this car. Let's reverse uphill in E-Gear.
Absolutely not.
Oh, E-Gear!
Oh yeah.
Sounds good.
So I gotta play right here.
Ready?
These are the Viper keys, so I'll give those.
No, that's the one you guys are trying. We're doing the Viper now. We're doing the Viper in the rain. Do you have life insurance on your employees?
Yeah,
what I'll
hopefully.
do, I'm gonna dial 91. Yeah. That way, at any time, I can just hit the other one.
Yeah.
So is there TC in this car or not? Because Damon says there is.
Dr. Damon there is, yeah. But if you look at it, there is.
I have awful visibility because I'm 6'2" and like my head is like in here. It feels intimidating, not gonna lie to you. I like it. But no joke, they're literally nervous about me driving this car in the rain because apparently this car in the rain is awful. All right, you ready for this?
Oh yeah.
This thing sounds good.
Sounds amazing.
Guys, first time moving the Viper, I just coasted to the street here. And of course, there's all this traffic. My first thing I noticed is the clutch is like this long. Why is there so much traffic all of a sudden? There's so much pressure. Oh. So here's the first impressions on this car. It's hard to drive.
It is, it is. I mean, this is a really driver's enthusiast car. Yeah,
yeah. It's not like a Huracan.
No, no.
Or the Gallardo.
There's no easy trip in it.
Which I like because it's being hard to drive makes it more fun in some way.
Well, that's what the Viper, that's what their goal was.
Really?
Was just this raw
to be difficult.
Power. Yeah, yeah. You know, you were buying it for that massive engine up front. You're not buying it because it's got Bluetooth. By the way, this has Bluetooth.
So what do you guys think? Would this be the ultimate tire slayer? Like, let's be honest.
This would slay a lot of things other than tires as well.
I like it. I like driving. I mean, yeah, it's a bit more.
Just focus on me for a minute.
Let's look for the transmission. That's back there.
It's still there. It's still there.
Joking aside, though, it is a bit more difficult to drive. You get used to like anything, but I feel like a badass in this thing. Like, it's bright yellow. It's loud.
It's really hard not to feel like a badass. This is what super villains drive.
Oh, let's get something like, I'll get a passion tea lemonade, a tall, please.
A tall passion tea lemonade.
Yeah.
Or anything else?
Can I get a mango dragon fruit?
What size?
I'll go grande.
So what do you do when you're in a Viper and it's pouring rain and you can't go fast?
Starbucks.
You get the wussiest drinks you can possibly order at Starbucks. In the bright yellow, Viper. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow, they really nailed the dragon fruit in here.
It doesn't work out in the rain today. It's literally pouring. If you guys can see that right now, the rain is just coming down hard.
That's real rain. That's not computer graphics.
Is this CGI? Jamie's doing all the rain right now.
That's why you see a tornado going over.
Jamie, holy, there's a tornado. And then there's lightning.
Oh my god.
And there's a Goodyear blimp.
Oh my god, the baby looked at me.
All right, let's unlock this thing. Let's go. You ready?
I'm ready.
Hop in. You don't have to be in the rain anymore.
Oh, really? Thank you. Very generous.
Oh, I like the interior.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and it smells. Hold on, I'm too big for this. It smells like a Huracan. They all have the same smell.
Yes.
I just pinched it in my shoulder getting in here.
Wow, you are just a fragile dandelion, aren't you?
Whatever it takes to close the deal. Hey guys, I'm back in the Lamborghini Huracan, which I've obviously driven before. Huracan. And here's the reality about this car. No joke. This is one of my favorite cars to drive. It's so easy to drive. It's fast. It's probably the best supercar ever built. So smooth. So much different than a Gallardo.
Little different from the Viper.
Can I call it a Gallardo? I know that's the accurate. I'll call it Gallardo.
It's pronounced Gallardo.
Yeah, leave a comment below. Should I? Is it cool to have two Huracans? It could be matching or just polar different. This is a 610. Damon's is a 580.
Is there something to be said for having a Gallardo in the crew?
I like my Gallardo. Look at that. I like the blue.
That's it.
Well, there we are back in August. Luxury motor cars, driving the Huracan 610. Honestly, I legit love this car. Like, I've been silent, just driving and enjoying it. And we're back, and I see a big RV. This is August on it. And I see a Hummer. Is that Matt's new Hummer?
That is Matt's new Hummer. And that's our sales office.
It's your sales office? Oh, we're just gonna go under the awning since it's raining here.
Yeah, it's, you know, full service dealership. After you, sir.
No, after you. I insist. I got the camera.
Right this way.
What is this?
The deals on wheels.
Holy deals on wheels. I don't know, I asked the audience what they thought. Maybe I could have two Huracans. But also, Damon has a 1 of 27 Murcielago. I want something rare.
I've got something that might work for you.
Here?
No, I'll have to show you.
New shop, the new service center.
This is it, the garage.
Holy, it's packed.
We even have the DDE Hummer in here for a little tune-up.
Oh, hey, right there. This is all new and shiny.
This is all new and shiny, yeah.
So you guys are like a full-out service center for everything.
Yeah.
Custom
People
build,
are
everything.
shipping cars from us from all over the place just to work on.
This is cool. What's the story behind this car?
This is Eleanor.
This is Eleanor? Got an old Bronco here.
Originally sold out of Saskatoon,
Yeah.
and it was actually the Saskatoon government used it for I'm not sure what, but it only has 16,000 original miles.
Okay, this is all original.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Is this a customer car or is this for sale?
We picked it up, sold it to a client, and now we're keeping it looking factory, but we're putting a whole new drivetrain in.
Oh, wow. Hey. What do you got?
So that car I was telling you about, this is what I got.
Holy. You found that car?
What do you think about that?
I would take that in a heartbeat. Are there any in Canada?
I know of one.
Okay, I want that.
Done.
That's the car.
Done.
Get it in.
Done.
Off camera, we'll figure out how much it costs, but absolutely, I want that car. Well, that was easy. I wish I could show the audience right now what this car is.
That's pretty sick, eh? I can't wait to see what you guys do with it.
All right, you guys. That's it on that for now. Let's get some food.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get some food. Hold on. It can't end there. This video cannot end the line. This is not a citrus fruit review channel. This is DDE. Now listen, the weather yesterday was awful, but I checked the forecast for today. I stayed another night to show you guys this. Look, we got sun, we got happiness. We went back to August Motor Cars for some shenanigans. Here we go. So aggressive.
Yeah, that's gotta be illegal.
So Mike was showing me there's no rubber mount to the engine. The engine's bolted straight to the frame, so it's gonna be rubber. Safety first. Power again?
550 horsepower for tires.
The tires are 7 inches wide of tread. And like we were talking about this, I don't know if you guys could hear me, so I was screaming at the camera, but there's no seat belts. Everything is sharp. Right? There's no seat belts, no power brakes, no airbags. So why do you have this car? You just throwing the dice, you know?
Got drunk at Bear Jackson.
You got drunk at Bear Jackson. All the crazy metal work. The biggest hazard is getting in because literally you have to slide across this piece of metal.
That's neat.
Wow, that's sick. Well, thanks for the ride because I'm gonna go use the restroom. So this is a car you would not want to crash on the freeway. Like, you wouldn't want to crash at 40. The school zone's dangerous in that thing.
It's a 69
Charger
RT.
Now look at this, you guys. For your American viewers, this is $100,000, but that is in Canadian. So in USD, minus, yeah. It would be like minus 35%. 65,000 for this all original 69 Dodge Charger. All right, Mike, almost time for me to leave. Now, I have a secret for you guys. It's not a secret, you guys knew this. The Raptor, I traded it in.
Yeah.
It's theirs now. I loved it. Doesn't fit my needs anymore, so it's actually right here for sale. Don't fight over it. It's one of one, day-built Raptor. It's got a lot of cool stuff on it. Now, it doesn't include the bent license plate, unfortunately.
No.
That's gotta go back. But hold on. What's this? Does that say celebrity driven?
Yeah.
Driven by Dave Coulter movie character. Oh my god. Seriousness, that's obviously a joke. Like, please don't take that seriously, you guys. I'm not that arrogant.
He is, and it is serious.
I made them do it. Okay, Matt has told me before I go, he's got a new service shuttle that's very special. He wants to show me, so we jumped in the Huracan. The Huracan I drove yesterday, actually, that I want to buy. But then Mike found the other car, and the Huracan became the side chick. All right, Matt, what'd you buy?
So we're at my buddy's place, Auction World here in Kelowna.
Yeah.
And I said to him, I need something for our service shuttle, right? So we can take people to work and whatnot. Right. So he said he had something for me, so let's go look. I'm
almost nervous because he's been hyping this up all morning. Something I know it's a limo. Dude, that's amazing.
Oh, that's gonna be hilarious.
So when you drop your car off, you get dropped off at work after in a limousine.
Why not, right?
That's service.
The August experience.
Ready for the tour? Boys, I'm out.
See ya.
another pleasurable experience at
Next time when you guys come, I'll pick you up in the airport in a limo.
Yes, you have to do that.
I will.
You need to do the limo experience. Alright guys, that's it for this episode of Daily Driven Exotics. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, pick up some epic merch, shopdd.com, links in the description. Also, give August Motor Cars a follow. These guys have been awesome with my personal vehicles, as well as all the DD cars all come from here in Kelowna, British Columbia. If you're an American viewer, they can help you out, and everything is like 35% cheaper, so come check it out, give them a follow, all the good stuff. In the meantime, I gotta go, I have a 4-hour drive. See you guys later.